There's great opportunity in looking at properties that are lots or under construction. Really, in the investment, this gives you the best opportunity to build your custom dream home. And here, I'm going to show you Casa Noroc, which is a perfect opportunity to buy into Puerto Los Cabos under $1 million at its listed price today. You can finish this project and make it your own, or continue with the current construction team. Today, Casa Noroc's condition is in gray wall, a perfect time to make an opportunity with a small investment. We're just putting on the facade, which is the rock features and the prime and color on the exterior paint. Casa Noroc enters with a nice French door into a very lighted outside area. To one side of the home are your common areas, taking great view to the mountains. And on the other side of the home are your bedroom and guest suites. The master bedroom is exclusively upstairs and has a variety of access from inside and outside of the home. Let's take a look down this hallway, and you'll pass the powder room and come into a great room area. Imagine this area being built with a custom fit furniture piece, allowing your media to play. In this big, wide space, there will be glass feature doors that open to the open courtyard and allowing lots of natural light in from the morning to the afternoon. And again, in this nice wide view is the set of the peak of mountains that are east, creating adventure and a view over the pool area. This big media area will be supported by great electronics and beautiful wood surrounding the environment. And then, of course, you have your dining area where you'll be able to host a long table of guests that cascade out to the pool area. Off the dining and media area is a more intimate kitchen. You'll certainly enjoy a breakfast nook, and then more barbecue space and outdoor area that'll continue to be shaded all the way through the patio. What's amazing about the style and structure and architecture of this home is that this wall is glass and will open up an accordion glass door into a nice garden area. This will be decor of outdoor garden desert landscape, as well as up the staircase leading you to the jacuzzi, privately located right outside the master suite. Let's take a look interior on the other side of the house, where we'll see all the bedrooms, the master exclusive upstairs and downstairs 2 spacious guest suites. The property splits its bedrooms, so split level up to the master, where it's exclusive at this landing to walk out to your terrace and to your jacuzzi. The master is the only piece upstairs, taking advantage of the breezes and beautiful views. Outside of this master suite is your private terrace, plumbed with a nice size jacuzzi. On this side of the home, opposing the common areas and great rooms, are your upstairs and downstairs. So upstairs is your exclusive master bedroom, and downstairs are 2 spacious guest rooms with outside access. attractive, it's unique, it's different. But what's fabulous about the opportunity is that you could make this yours with the finished work and features and details that make it perfect for the setting that you